How to activate a deactivated Uber account. So here you want to open up your browser and Google search for appeal Uber deactivation. Click on the first link that pops up right here, and it's going to show us this page: appeal process, my account has been deactivated. If you believe your account has been incorrectly deactivated, you can appeal and you have to provide some more information. Now, some of the reasons why your account might get deactivated are expired documents, breaking the law, fraudulent activities, so on and so forth. So depending on your specific situation here, you want to explain what happened. For example, I've taken the expired documents hypothetical situation, and I've written I have resubmitted the appropriate documents which were expired and led to the deactivation of my account. I would like to formally request a second review. Now make sure you keep this formal and as classy as you can. Would you like to provide further clarification for the responsible team who will investigate your case? If you have any screenshots or any additional info as to why your account may have been deactivated as a mistake, you can submit it in the second field. Afterwards, you will just click on the submit button and wait for a response on your email address. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.